Welcome back to the Healthy Snackies channel. Today's recipe is going to be a Thai stuffed sweet potato with homemade peanut dressing. The ingredients that you will need for the sweet potato portion will be a lime, broccoli, sweet potato, carrot, green onion, bell pepper, onion, pepper, sea salt, and olive oil. For the peanut sauce, you will need lime, sesame oil, soy sauce, honey, peanut butter, and garlic. First, we're going to start with the peanut dressing. We're going to take about a tablespoon of peanut butter. We're going to take about a tablespoon of honey, about a tablespoon of sesame oil, about a tablespoon of soy sauce, and a tablespoon of garlic. And then we're just going to squeeze about a quarter of a lime and mix it all up. And that is it. And we're just going to put it to the side. Now getting into our main dish, we're just going to lay down some olive oil, throw in those bell peppers, carrots, and broccoli. We are also working on low heat, and just make sure that you are stirring occasionally throughout this process. Season with a little pepper and salt. Add in a little bit of yellow onion. I probably used a tablespoon's worth. Then when you feel like it's almost to your level of satisfaction, of brownness and niceness, you're gonna add in the white part of the green onion, and then just let it cook for another 5 minutes. We are then just gonna add some lime, and then it's done. All right, now taking our cooked sweet potato, I just microwaved it for 6 minutes on high. I'm just gonna take a fork and mash it all up. Then we're just gonna add in the vegetables right on top. Gonna put a little olive oil over it and a little lime. Then we're just gonna add the greens of the green pepper. We're just gonna lay our peanut sauce on top. Then that's it. Mix it up. I like to mix it up, but do whatever. You do you. All right, I hope you guys liked this video. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below about what you would like to see in the future. And I'll see you guys next week.